Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house, and I'm so excited about today's video. Yes, I said video. So I'm super excited because I have been waiting all this time to share with you this particular product that I have just absolutely fell in love with. So the product that I'm talking about today is for those people who love butters, shea butter type products specifically. This is for you. So today's video is about none other than the double whipped cream. This is lemon cupcake, and this is from the brand Bird's Nest. And I hope you guys can really see it there. Trying to get my camera to really focus. Oh, so I got this product, I think it was right before the summer, and it may have been it was the Women's Expo that we have every year, maybe twice a year actually, but for sure every year here on the East Coast. I believe they also have the same expo on the West Coast as well. Don't quote me on it, but I definitely know here on the East Coast we have a Women's Expo where you have a whole bunch of vendors that are trying to sell their products or interest you in their products at the very least. And so I came across this particular vendor, and the seller's name is Miss Pascal Gilberte Pascal, or Gilbert Pascal. I don't want to pronounce her name incorrectly here. Anyway, she caught my attention. So she asked me if I was interested in checking out her products. And to be honest with you guys, I was there with my sidekick, and we were just really walking really fast, and we were looking for all the free items. But she really just stopped us in our tracks. We decided to check out her products, and she had lots of beautiful butters. I mean, the aroma of all these creams and butters were just magnificent. Smelled absolutely beautiful. So anyway, we smelled one scent that just really took us to a whole nother level, and it was the lemon cupcake scent that we smelled. And so of course she provided us a little sample for us to keep in a little goodie bag. And y'all, I said, you know what, this smells so good, I could just eat it. And so I came across this size here, which is a 1.4 ounce. I can't remember exactly how much this small little container of this whipped butter cost, because it's been probably 6 months now. So this is what it looks like, y'all. And it's very, very creamy. And this is what the cream looks like, y'all. You can see it there. It is uber creamy. It just melts in your skin right on contact. It's amazing. It doesn't take a whole lot to melt it down. Yo, it smells so good. Y'all, this smells just as it did the first time that I bought it. Wow, it smells exactly the same way as it did when I first purchased it. So with that being said, I said, I started debating on if whether or not I wanted to purchase the product. And that's when Miss Pascal, she really went into the background of how her line of products became to be. And pretty much she was just a school teacher, and she decided to step out on faith and really just go in and focus on her love and her passion, which is to create great products that are natural, that are organic, that we can use on our skin. And depending on the size that you want will determine how much you would pay in price. I believe though for this 1 ounce container that I got, I purchased it for about $5 or $6. To me, it was well worth it because you guys, I'm just now using it after about 6 months later. Because again, the little sample size, which is really small, I mainly used that on my lips and it kept my lips extremely moisturized and I felt like I was eating lemon cupcakes. Also, you guys, Miss Pascal have her own website. The name of her website is birdsnestproducts.com. So make sure you guys check out her website. She probably won't remember who I am because, again, this was like 6 months ago. This will also be great for like stocking stuffers. Hello. So if you're trying to figure out what little knickknacks you want to get friends, family for Christmas, hello, Birds Nest Products. It's definitely something that you can consider. Also, y'all, another great thing about her products, the scent does not linger. So if you're worried about that, no. Really, you just melt it time you open up the container and apply it directly to your skin. After probably 5 or 10 minutes, the scent is literally gone. So you don't have to worry about the scent lingering at all. I'm just going in and I'm going to apply it again, y'all. Look, it just melts. It just melts away. Her product is absolutely amazing. It's not greasy, it's not oily. It literally melts into your skin. You don't have to worry about it staining your clothes and all of that good stuff because that's just how light, weight, and texture this creamy whip butter is. So definitely something that you want to consider. I hope this video was helpful. I will make sure that I leave Miss Pascal's contact information down in the description box below. I do apologize, I do not have a discount code, but let her know that Bliss sent you. Although she may not remember me because it's been like 6 months ago, so I don't know how many customers she's had since the last time I experienced her. And so, yeah. Anyway, see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.